Isola del Garda is the largest island on Lake Garda and one of the most elegant and secluded landmarks on the lake. Located near the western shore in northern Italy, Isola del Garda rises gently from the water, crowned by a grand Venetian Gothic villa surrounded by terraced gardens and cypress trees. The island's refined architecture and lush vegetation create a striking contrast with the deep blue waters of the lake. The centerpiece of this island is the 19th century villa built by the Cavazza family, who still own the property today. Its towers, arches, and decorative facades give it the appearance of a romantic lakeside palace. From the shoreline, the villa seems almost theatrical, reflected in the calm waters of Lake Garda and framed by distant mountains. Historically, the island has passed through several phases. In medieval times, it hosted a religious community, and figures such as Francis of Assisi are said to have visited the site during its monastic period. Later centuries saw the island transformed into a private estate, with gardens carefully designed to combine Mediterranean plants with exotic species brought from abroad. Today, Isola del Garda remains a private property, but is open to visitors through guided tours. Its appeal lies in the harmony between architecture, gardens, and water, an intimate, almost dreamlike place where history and natural beauty quietly coexist on the surface of the lake.